Good morning, Naija, and welcome to your Health Corner on top of the Good Morning Naija show, where me, myself, and I, your one and only Dr. Adora, they summer you with all the better information to make sure say your body and your soul, everything will concern you, they very, very kajat, plus including your children. And you know, say we don't dey yarn from Monday about this asthma. Yesterday, I've been telling you about childhood asthma, the asthma will happen for children body. And I've been shown you some of the symptoms before time reach make I waka. Now I won't continue on top that matter. The last one where I've been yarn, now that whistling sound. I've been telling you about the chest tightness and the chest, as in can be like say the chest, they pain your pikin. Then on top that one, when they breathe, especially when they sleep, you go they notice say, it be like say in they sing, that they call that one wheezing. The next one where I want yarn now, it concern waiting or they call seesaw motions in the chest. Go notice say and that one now because the breathing they difficult for them. So you go just see the chest, go they rise, they fall. They call them seesaw motions. Some other people they also call these motions retractions, and all this one are because of difficulty in breathing. So on top this one again, I don't mention them before. Say the child could they get shortness of breath. It could be like say it a quick catch breath, and the breath safe where they breathe. You can't even notice say in neck. In the tight, because everything for the body, they try make sure say they collect as much airway if it collects. So therefore, it could be like say the neck and the chest muscles they tight. Then on top that one, your child, like I mentioned before, it go they experience feelings of weakness or tiredness. Any small thing where you go they do, it go they quick tire. Well, now I want to enter some of the things where they cause this asthma, and some of the things where they trigger the asthma reaction. People with this asthma, they get very, very sensitive airways, and they react to many different things for the environment, what they call asthma triggers. So anytime they just jam any of these things, we go trigger them like this. Now, so they experience the symptoms, or the symptoms go become worse on top of these triggers where they jam. And some of the common triggers of this asthma, now first and foremost, infections like sinusitis, any cold, though, say person they get cough, they get catarrh, flu, generally, all these ones that be triggers will go lead eventually to asthma manifestation. Another one are allergens, like pollens from flowers. Then anywhere where you see say something don't old or it don't wet small, that they call them mold spores. Then even when you get pets for house, if you get cats, all of them, they carry some kind of things for their body where they cause triggers. Then if you they live for house, especially when your house get rug, all the plenty dust, or even they call them dust mites, these ones too fit be triggers we go make person we get asthma begin to manifest. Then some kind of irritants like strong odor from perfume, or if you they clean your house, you get some kind of cleaning solutions where they use now, where the perfume where they come up for their body, not be here, very strong something. All these ones they cause person to they manifest asthma. Then on top that one, air pollution from tobacco smoke, or carbon monoxide where they come up for our motors, them all these old motor where they run for road, where they release nonsense badness for inside the air. All this one go trigger asthma for person picking. Then exercise, because you get the one where they call exercise-induced asthma. You get as person go stress himself like this on top exercise, go come begin to manifest this asthma, because you know so when you exercise, you're breathing, they require more oxygen. So when you don't they narrow already, you can't exercise on top. That one go make person begin to manifest this asthma. On top that one, it gets some kind of changes for our weather. You know, the temperature, the cold air, all these ones fit as the thing go, they too hot or too high or too cold. All this one fit cause trigger asthma for inside person we already get them. Then some kind of strong emotions, person where they worry too much, or person where they laugh too much, or person where they cry too much. All this one both together, they fit go trigger asthma for person we already get them. Then you get some kind of medicine where they take, like a aspirin-sensitive medicine. This one will go cause asthma. Yes. And then on top all this one, now that time they go talk, say, when you come, they see all these manifestations for person, they go talk, say, this person don't get asthma attack. If you want to hear more on top this matter, tomorrow I go tell you about asthma attack. So make you not try miss more. My name is still Dr. Adora, and this is your Health Corner for Good Morning Naija show.
If you know say una just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.